Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here at the FPV Evil Monkey, and today I am out. I'm going to be testing out the new motors that I just upgraded onto my freestyle quad. I haven't flown this in probably a few months, so I wanted to get it out and fly it and test them out. So I just upgraded to the Emax Eco. These are the 2306. They are the 2400 kV, so a little step down in kV. I wanted to try something a little bit different to see how they perform. So we'll see how they do. Alright, so flew about 4 packs through these new motors. They did not get hot at all, which was very nice. And I'll check the footage out later. So, but it flew very nice, very smooth. I'm very happy with these motors. My last motors, they tended to get pretty warm, but they were 2500 kV motors, and these are 2400s. So I'm really liking these eco motors. So yeah, if you get a chance, check them out, get some. I got them from Full Send at they're $11 or $12 a piece, so you can't beat that for some good motors, and they look pretty darn nice on this freestyle quad. So anyway, guys, thanks for checking out my video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and as always, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later.